The city of Brussels, located in Belgium, is a vibrant and culturally rich destination that attracts tourists from all over the world. Known for its stunning architecture, historical sites and diverse culinary scene, Brussels offers a unique combination of old-world charm and modern sophistication. As the capital of Belgium and also the de facto capital of the European Union, Brussels is of great political and economic importance. The cityscape is characterized by a combination of architectural styles from Gothic to Art Nouveau, showcasing its rich history and cultural heritage. Brussels is home to many iconic landmarks such as the Grand Palais, which is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and is known for its intricate design and beautiful square. Other famous attractions include the Atomium, the Manneken Pis statue, the Royal Palace of Brussels and the Mont which offers panoramic views of the city. The tourist flow to Brussels has been steadily increasing over the years. Travelers are drawn to its museums, art galleries and vibrant festivals. The city boasts an impressive collection of museums, including the Magritte Museum, dedicated to surrealist artist René Magritte, and the Comic Center, showcasing Belgium's famous comics heritage. Those planning to visit Brussels are advised to explore various areas such as St. Gilles or Ixelles, known for their trendy bars and restaurants. In addition, taking part in various excursions or walking tours can provide valuable information about the history and culture of the city. Overall, whether you want to explore historical sites or immerse yourself in the world of contemporary art, Brussels offers something for every traveler. Its unique combination of history, culture and international influence makes it a fascinating place to visit.